Okay, to host your own Weatherstar 4000, which is like the old Weather Channel display, we're going to go to a terminal and type sudo apt install docker.io -y. Next, type sudo systemctl start docker. Then sudo systemctl enable docker. Next, type sudo docker run hello-world. If you see the hello from Docker, that means Docker is working correctly. Next, type sudo docker run -p 8080:8080 ghcr.io/netbymat with 2 t's /ws4kp. Okay, when you get to the part where it says Start Worker Process 18, we can open a web browser and go to localhost:8080. And in the top bar, put in the city-state that you want the weather forecast for. Okay, if you scroll down, there's a few options. I'm going to select widescreen. Back up to the top, we can make it full screen with the icon in the right corner. If you open it up in Google Chrome, you can hit the 3 dots, go to Cast, Save, and Share, then click on Cast, and you can cast this tab to your Vizio Smart TV. And you can also scroll down a little bit and click Copy Permalink, and you can save that somewhere so it'll remember your options. And here's what happens when we paste it in. Okay, you're now hosting Weatherstar 4000. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.